Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Elantra light. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged to prevent any accidents. Pop open the hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver and your replacement bulb. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's get to the old bulb. Gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling. Next, you'll either unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise, depending on your specific model. Once released, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Remember to avoid touching the glass part of the bulb, even if it's already burnt out. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Hold the new bulb by its base and carefully insert it into the housing, making sure not to touch the glass. Secure it by reattaching the retaining clip or twisting it clockwise until it locks. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector. You should hear a click, confirming it's properly seated and ready to go. Before you close everything up, turn on your car and test the new headlight. Make sure it illuminates properly and has the correct brightness. If it doesn't work, double-check the connections. Once you've confirmed everything is functioning as it should, carefully close your hood. You've successfully changed your Hyundai Elantra's headlight, saving yourself time and money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.